Welcome back to F&S Kesana apho sitha ngeendaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana naqala.
As we all know that Enhle Mbali has recently announced publicly Obayena she is officially Miss Molochwa. So divorce yakhe final. And also the Johannesburg High Court confirmed that the customary marriage was valid and it is in community of property. Therefore, court has also invalidated the anti-nuptial contract they had, stating that Umbali was misled and lacked proper legal. So, as a result of a ruling, Black Coffee has been ordered to pay spousal maintenance. Okay, so apparently now Black Coffee has taken to Twitter sana and waxelela abantu bani guys into angasoze imelele obani you guys are busy posting his children. So I understand that we are all excited that the lady is about to be a millionaire and she's I believe went as being maybe a millionaire because she's working hard. But I understand the Black Copy very well. He took it to Twitter to say, guys, do not leave my children alone. Leave my kids out of this. Don't post my kids. But une point in it because ekugqibeleni ungutata ungumzali. Point yakhe granted mntasekhaya. But I'm trying to think by the time he was frustrating umama wabo engafuna ukwenza nto ebecinga fana at the time abantwana bakhe as a father bafinisha njani ngela xesha besilila nombali. But guys, it's none of our business. Thina siyacommandate nje kuphela at this point in time nguye uzenzile akakhalelwa but ke akho nto sizayenza. What do you guys think about this? Siyavuyisana bethu noEnhle, but I personally feel that Black Coffee has a point. Ekugqibeleni usengutata, whatever happened between yena no ex-wife wakhe and abantwana shouldn't be dragged into that. We just need to normalize and protect abantwana, guys. That is my opinion. What do you guys think? Let's meet in the comment section below. And guys, I am back from vacation and at least I got enough rest. Love you, Kasana.